Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Today I'm going to make an egg masala curry. It's a wonderful curry, just do try it, very easy to make and very flavorful. So let's start. Now here I have taken few cloves of garlic, tomato, ginger, half an inch ginger, 1 tomato and 1 tablespoonful of coriander leaves. I will be making a paste out of it. When the paste is ready, to this I'm going to add half cup of curd. I'm using homemade curd. You can use packet curd also, or any curd of your choice. Now after adding the curd, I will be churning it very nicely and making a smooth paste out of it. When the paste is ready, I will be making a masala mix. I'm going to show you all, to which I have added coriander seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, javitri, nutmeg, dry red chili, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, black pepper and star anise. All of this I will be taking in moderate amount, say half a teaspoonful of each, and dry red chili only 1, javitri 1 or 2 strands, cinnamon 2 sticks, clove 3 or 4. Now I will be dry roasting all of them and then I will make a powder out of it. First I will dry roast it. So in the meantime, I will heat a pan. And to this I'm going to add 2 teaspoonful of vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but I prefer today vegetable oil. To this I will be adding 2 diced potatoes. 2 potatoes, I have made 4 pieces each, and these potatoes are boiled potatoes. After boiling, I have peeled them and I will fry them till they are light golden in color. My potatoes are nicely fried. I'll show you all, friends. And to the same oil, I'm going to add 1 medium-sized onion, very finely chopped, and I will fry it till they acquire a golden color. In the meantime, my masalas has very nicely roasted, dry roasted. Now I will, here are the masala, and I will make a powder out of it. In the mixie, I'm going to make the powder, which I'm not capturing. Now my onions are very nicely fried. To this, I'm going to add the curd mixture. Now I'll mix everything very nicely. A little bit of water also goes after washing the jar. Now here goes the powder spice, which I have just now showed you all the spices which I have made powder out of it. Now I'll mix everything very nicely. To this I'm going to add few powder spices. The powder spices are regular powder spices. I'll show you all, friends. Cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder. This I've added Kashmiri red chili powder. You can add regular red chili powder also, and salt according to your taste. Now mix everything very nicely and give it a mix so that your masalas mix very nicely with the gravy. And after it is nicely mixed, I'm going to add the boiled potatoes to it. Now here, after adding the potatoes, I will be adding a little bit of jaggery or gur. Instead of jaggery, you can add sugar also, but do not avoid the sweetness. The sweetness is a must in this dish. Here goes my jaggery. It's not melted that much. Anyway, friends, if you all like my recipe, please don't forget to smash the like button. And those who are new to my channel, my humble request, please do subscribe along with the small bell icon so that you get all the notification as soon as I upload my videos, and share with your friends, those who will be interested in it. Now add the eggs, which I have boiled nicely, hard boiled, and prick them with the fork so that the masala, the gravy, penetrates into it and your eggs becomes very tasty. Now after adding the egg, mix everything very nicely, adjust the consistency according to your taste, and then I will be adding few more spices. The first thing goes is a little bit of kasuri methi. A little bit of kasuri methi will give a lovely flavor. Crush the kasuri methi and add to it. Say 1/4 teaspoonful will be more than enough. And those who are already with me, my friends, a lot of thanks to all of you. Now here goes the powder spice which I have already made, which I have already added 2 teaspoonful. Now here I am adding 1 more teaspoonful. This will enhance the flavor. Now adjust the consistency and cover it and give it a standing time for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your dish will be ready to serve. But don't forget to give this standing time. This step is really very essential. Now let me know, friends, after cooking how it turned out. I will be waiting for your feedback. Be happy, be merry. Catch you all soon again. Keep me in your prayers.